पहला वचन, मैं वचन देता हूँ कि बेड के जिस साइड चार्जिंग पॉइंट पास होगा वो साइड तुम्हारा।
See, what is a husband?
मेरे को तो वैसे बच्चे अडॉप्ट करने हैं, वो भी एटलीस्ट 10 से 12 साल के।
Will we have a spicy life?
I want to marry him right now.
Yeah, बेटा।
ये ऑन नहीं हो रहा गाइस।
Trust me, future wifey. I'm gonna take care of you.
Today, Scoop Whoop decided कि हम एक वीडियो करते हैं where 3 of us will judge who is husband material or more like a husband. I don't know who would make a good husband, I guess. But I don't know why they decided कि मैं judge बन सकती हूँ. इन दोनों का तो समझ आता है because they're married, they have significant others.
Thank you. I know.
Thank you.
Quite like accomplishment.
शादी करना achievement नहीं है.
Exactly, dude, exactly.
Bro, I don't know. When I told my mom I'm coming for this video, she said, "Why you going? Shouldn't Kriti be here?" So I was like, yeah, that makes sense.
What are the qualities that you guys think good husband should have?
Like for me personally, it's very important for my partner to let me be, you know, like I don't like somebody controlling or like, you know, involving themselves in too much in my business. So that is like primary criteria for me, but I don't know, it may be different for Akanksha and Josh.
So those kind of things are a very nice and a long-term thing.
Yeah.
Like, and it goes both ways. Like you also doing something like that for someone else. I mean, that it's very cliche and all, but you feel happy making someone else happy. And that is basically what you want in a partner.
That's why Josh is here to judge all the other boys.
Specifically, think gender-wise, it's important for a dude to understand where the imbalances are in the society and actively try to correct that. So yeah, get the boys. We'll separate the men from the boys, though.
So, contestants, how are you guys feeling?
I feel confident, I feel competitive, and I want to be the husband.
और इस वीडियो में अपनी तारीफ करनी है सबको बहुत ज़्यादा, तो आई एम रियली फीलिंग वियर्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा।
See, what is a husband?
Let's behind the anatomy. What is a husband?
How are you feeling? What is a husband?
What is a husband? It's a boyfriend who signed a contract. ठीक है? तो I feel like half the step is already done. Confuse the judges. That's why you.
There's no context. There is no
रोहित,
context.
तूने अकेले 1 2 3 6 लोगों को कंफ्यूज किया।
और क्रू भी है भाई, क्रू के भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं।
I feel great, guys. Thank you for asking. But I also feel weird क्योंकि
सुन, इंटरव्यू नहीं है।
So I'm feeling nice. I'm just a little awkward because all these are my friends and it's difficult to compete with them. Even though I know that I'm way better than them in performing a lot of other things. So let's see.
I want to see all 4 of you apologize for something. There's going to be a lot of apologizing when you get married. It goes both ways. Let's start with Kanish. Okay, I'll give you a situation. You said something snarky to her because she...
Snarky.
मतलब ऐसे कुछ underhanded comment type.
Because you were insecure about her earning more than you.
यार I'm really sorry because I've been acting very snarky. मैं सही बताऊँ तो सीन ये था कि मेरे को थोड़ी सी इनसिक्योरिटी हो गई थी बिकॉज यू वर अर्निंग मोर देन मी विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली फाइन विद मी नाउ। फिर मैंने ये सोचा कि अगर तुम ज़्यादा कमा रही हो तो मैं जितना कमा रहा हूँ फिर हम मिलाएंगे तो वो पैसे ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे, फिर हम साथ में एंजॉय कर सकते हैं।
It was a difficult situation. You did pretty well.
अरे ये एक्टिंग कब से कर रहा है? 10 साल से एक्टिंग कर रहा है।
Acting नहीं कर रहा है. He has never said sorry in his entire life.
Satyam!
Yeah, I'm thinking.
No, you're getting a different situation, Satyam.
Okay, sure.
Satyam, your family said something rude to your wife and you did not stand up for her because to maintain your image with your parents, you didn't stand up for her. Now, how would you apologize?
See, I'm really sorry क्योंकि जब तुम्हारी मम्मी से बात हुई और उन्होंने तुम्हें कुछ बोल दिया, तुम्हें बुरा लगा, मम्मी को भी बुरा लगा, तुमने कुछ बोल दिया, लेकिन मैंने बाद में सोचा कि मुझे स्टैंड करना चाहिए था तुम्हारे लिए, एक्चुअली जो सही है उसके लिए। आई एम रियली सॉरी मैंने नहीं किया, बट अगली बार मैं ज़रूर स्टैंड करूँगा, चाहे कोई भी सही हो, मम्मी सही हो या तुम सही हो, ठीक है?
ये तो बैकफायर हो जाएगा, चाहे मम्मी सही हो या जो भी सही हो.
If the wife was wrong, then she's wrong, bro. He didn't stand up while she was right. That's the situation. Hey, Bhattacharya.
तो ऐसा धक-धक हो रहा है. बहुत बढ़ गया यार.
Bhattacharya, you were specifically asked not to talk to one of your exes because she makes your wife uncomfortable. And despite all of that, she found out that you had a long conversation with your ex, just a friendly conversation, but it was still a breach of trust because you didn't tell her about it.
I told her that I'm not gonna, but then I did.
Yeah. So,
Okay, okay.
She found out about
And then
it.
she
You didn't
found
tell
out
her.
because she went through my messages or some shit. What a guy, man. She, yeah. I mean, ये भी breach of trust हो गया ना? नहीं.
तू उसको उल्टा क्वेश्चन दे. उल्टा क्वेश्चन. How did you check my messages?
I'm really sorry. मैं क्या बोलूँ? I'm very bad at words. So here's some food. And this time, look at this shit, man. I'm deleting her from everything. Facebook, Instagram, freaking Grindr, सब कुछ delete कर दिया मैंने.
शादी के बाद भी ग्राइंडर है.
अब ये कभी नहीं होगा आगे से. So you're welcome.
So, Biswas, you were subconsciously thinking that your wife has gotten a little fat, and तुम्हारा गलती से one day it came out of your mouth that I think you've put on some weight or something on that lines. How do you apologize for that?
Oh, he's in trouble now.
Okay, I'm really sorry. I shouldn't have said that. It's my bad, and I do not mean what I said. It just came out really wrong. I intended something else, and I was specifically talking about the dress, of course, but not you, babe. Of course, you look great. You look gorgeous, and with any dress, it's about you actually. That makes the difference, not the dress actually. So, I'm sorry if it came out the way it did, but I didn't mean to say it. सीधे आ रहेगा.
What is around, dude? We are sweating.
I'm sweating,
All
man.
are
What the
sweating.
I've never seen this guy sweat.
पैंट वैंट सब गीली हो गई bro.
Actually, he has full sweat. I touched him on his back to make him feel better.
मेरी किसी
and I was
गर्लफ्रेंड ने
going,
आज तक मेरे को इतने ऐसे स्पॉटलाइट में नहीं डाला dude.
So this was the warm up round जो आग लगा दी इन लोगों के पिछवाड़े के नीचे मैंने. अब there are gonna be more rounds. The best they can do in each round is 30 points because हमारे सबके पास 10-10 point है, and worst they can do in each round is whatever they're doing already. Yeah.
Let's see.
मेरे हाथ एकदम ठंडे हो रहे हैं ब्रो.
Weird.
मैं पता नहीं यहाँ क्यों.
I'm feeling very nervous. एक से.
उल्टा है.
Okay, first question.
What will be your response if your wife wants you both to stay with her parents? या मेरे को लगता है मैं बार्टर डील करूँगा. I'll be like यार 6 महीने का सेटिंग कर लेते हैं. 6 months you come to my place, 6 months I'll go to your place.
I'll ask her, whoever I'm getting married to, I'll ask her if she's comfortable with that, then we can do that. If she wants to stay outside like independently, just both of us, I'm totally into that as well. Like that's ideally my idea. That's just a personal choice. Whatever she's comfortable with, we can have a conversation and then we can see from there.
आई एम श्योर कि उनकी फैमिली के साथ भी मेरी अच्छी बनेगी, मेरी अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी अच्छी बनेगी, उसकी भी मेरी फैमिली के साथ अच्छी बनेगी. सो वो वाला वाइब अच्छा होगा. कुछ चीज़ें प्रैक्टिकल अगर सोचे तो हाँ, जॉब एंड एवरीथिंग, अर्निंग्स, इनकम्स ये आएंगी, थोड़ी दिक्कतें, बट ये सब अगर सॉर्टेड है, एब्सोल्युटली नो प्रॉब्लम.
I can do it for like a month, but beyond that, I'd want some privacy, man, because I like to smoke my enemies on Call of Duty. Got you.
By the way, Rohit, you the most spot on answer till now
Yeah.
on that question.
Wow, that's messed up, man. Yeah, man, a month max I can do it. After that, we gotta have the talk.
क्या confidence boost मिला इसको.
Second, what quality will make you want to spend your entire life with a person?
What's the most important quality you look for in a partner?
Again, don't be vague.
Yeah.
Very specific, personalized for you.
आई थिंक जो सामने वाला पर्सन है, जो मेरा पार्टनर है, वो मेरे को समझे कि इसका अगर आज मूड ख़राब है तो क्यों ख़राब है और वैलिड रीज़न होगा. एंड ठीक है, थोड़ा टाइम देते हैं, ठीक हो जाएगा एवरीथिंग. उसको बोर्ड गेम्स अच्छा लगता है, बोर्ड गेम्स खेलते हैं. सो दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट, यू नो, टू गो फ्रॉम दिस टू दिस, जो भी ग्राफ होता है लाइफ का. सो दैट वे.
I think generally someone who doesn't ask questions after 10 p.m.
It's so funny.
Can you be serious?
No, that was pretty serious.
And I'm saying rice because I can't say other things. So then, yeah, man, if she understands my vices, or he, then yeah, man.
I think respect is something I look for in every person, that not just as a partner, but any person I make friends with or I like in general. I think if they know how to give and take respect, I think that's a good quality.
या मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि somebody who doesn't get embarrassed with me, I think that's enough for me. क्योंकि मैं I'm usually very so somebody, if the other person is very comfortable with me and is not embarrassed of me anywhere, I think that's a quality that I will definitely give a thumbs up.
This is a genuine answer.
That is an answer, yes.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अगले सवाल पे चले. 3 things that you think are important and should be discussed in marriage.
Before marriage.
Before marriage. Religion. वो डिस्कस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है अगर आप इंटर रिलीजन कर रहे हो. सेकेंड थिंग इज अर्निंग. थर्ड थिंग थोड़ा वियर्ड आंसर होगा बट आई थिंक फूड चॉइसेस होते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
First thing, do you want to get married at all, and do you believe in the concept of marriage? Secondly, what's the living situation gonna be? You know, if you've already not figured that out. And third thing, yeah, do you want kids, and do you believe in kids either? Because their carbon footprint is fucking massive, man. Gee, you know what I mean? So.
Prenups, I think, is something I support. Second thing would be the arrangement, like where are we planning to stay? If it's fixed, if it's permanent, if it's temporary, then for how long? Like just a small discussion should work. Babies wala point to koi, I don't think I'll discuss that before marriage.
Why not?
मेरे को तो वैसे बच्चे अडॉप्ट करने हैं, वो भी एटलीस्ट 10 से 12 साल के.
So साले यही तो बात करना
Extra
है बियाह से
brownie
पहले.
points.
आइडियली तो मेरे को बच्चे अडॉप्ट करने हैं 10 से 12 साल के, वो भी कि बचपन वाला वो पॉटी ट्रेनिंग वाला एज भी ना देखना पड़े, एंड आई कैन बी फ्रेंड्स विद देम, स्टार्ट ड्रिंकिंग विद देम, एक्सबॉक्स खेलने लग जाओ.
मेरा 2 चीज़ें तो कंफर्म है. सबसे पहले कि व्हाट इज योर आइडिया ऑफ फन, क्योंकि अगर योर आइडिया ऑफ फन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम माय आइडिया ऑफ फन, फिर तो दिक्कत हो सकती है. मतलब ना आपको इंजॉयमेंट आएगी, ना हमको इंजॉयमेंट आएगी, ना कोई इंजॉय कर पाएगा. फिर टोटल जो एवरेज होगा इंजॉयमेंट का वो कम हो जाएगा. और दूसरा ये है कि हाउ डू यू कंपोज योरसेल्फ इन अ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन, हाउ डू यू डील विद थिंग्स. तीसरा वही है, मतलब अगर हाँ आई थिंक आर यू गुड इन बेड, मतलब विल वी हैव अ स्पाइसी लाइफ.
I'm feeling quite embarrassed after this, man. Please get me out of here. Oh my god. Thank you. Fucking hell.
This is shocking.
We are shocked.
हम खुद बड़े दुविधा में पड़ गए हैं.
The second one, I mean, I guess I get that it's a very personal thing, but I found his answer very generic.
And your time starts now.
Ka-ching! Okay.
ये ऑन नहीं हो रहा गाइस, ये टाइम नहीं काउंट होगा गाइस.
So basically, I mean, what we were thinking is that stitching buttons or making rotis doesn't really make you a great husband or wife. Yeah, any partner. So what we're going to look at is how they deal with pressure.
हेलो छेता बेबी. छेता बेबी तो हग ही कर दिया. छेता बेबी का डायपर चेंज करेंगे. चच्ची को पहले साफ कर दिया, इसको फेंक दिया. वेरी गुड.
So Bhattacharya came with a strategy. He was like, रोटी बनने में टाइम लगती है, स्टार्ट वहाँ से करेंगे.
आजा. See, judges, I'm a husband material. Just saying. I take care of the baby. Mwah.
He got the pants on the baby. He was paying attention to everything. Yeah.
Don't know about like good husband, but he would make a loving father. He was quite entertaining.
अब देखो पापा रोटी कैसे बनाते हैं. वेरी गुड.
टास्क 1 डन. हाँ भाई, अबे उतार.
Satyam was very calm though. He was meticulous. Went on to one, then second.
आप तब तक यहाँ लेटिए, हम रोटी बनाते हैं.
But he managed to get the thread in like less than 30 seconds. He was pretty good with the stitching and everything. He threw the baby's pant. He didn't dress him back. He just left it.
But diaper पहनाने का था.
दोस्तों, लॉकडाउन में मैं रोटी बेलना सीखा और आज तक ये स्किल मेरे काम आता है. Ka-ching! And oh, boom!
He did crack under pressure a little.
A little bit, yeah. He was like
Was so
stressed.
funny while doing it. she was a little too relaxed. और like रोटी चलती जलने दो, टाइम निकलता निकलने दो. But इतना भी careless थोड़ी होता है
वो
इंसान.
टेंशन नहीं दे रहा था.
ओए बच्चे, ए बेटा, ए बेटा, ए बेटा, ए बेटा. भैंस की आँख बड़ी.
His hands were literally shaking.
कर आ गया. आ गया. चल बेटा, अब बैठो इधर.
Kanish did pretty well on the first two, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
अरे लुढ़क गया बेबी. अरे बेबी. वेरी गुड बेबी. चलो.
He also tried to like जिस बेबी का कमर का हड्डी अभी डेवलप नहीं हुआ है उसको बैठाने का बार कोशिश कर रहा था वो.
एक ट्रायंगल बना, एक स्क्वायर. अबे जल गया क्या? नहीं, बस साथ में टाइम बचाएंगे.
शी, ये क्या बन रहा है डूड?
I mean, he totally failed that. What do you call the button task?
It's okay, I think. Husband के लिए इतना important नहीं है ये. किसी के लिए भी एक बटन तुम कहीं से कर सकते हो. I think it's fine.
हाँ हो गया. डन.
गाइस, आई थिंक इतनी जल्दी में इतना ही अच्छा रोटी बन सकता है मेरे से. सो आई थिंक आई एम डन विथ ऑल द टास्क. या.
So we know who the winner for this round is, but we'll hold our judgment till the last round to see who's the best husband out of the lot.
So we already have our first performer who is
Mr. Bhattacharya.
I'm gonna play one cover, but like I've added my own twist to it, and hopefully this, you know, makes somebody weak in the knees. I love my baby, she loves me too. There's nothing in the world that I wouldn't do for her. She's my baby, I said her. I love my baby. Kanishk on the other hand, his butt tastes like sand. Satyam only likes chai, वो करता है भेजा फ्राई. बिस्वास छी तू है बकवास. I don't believe in marriages, I just wanna win this shiz.
Crowd से ग्राफ उड़ता आ रहा है.
See, it's really very awkward to just मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू बनना और अपना कुछ तारीफ करना and all like that. I'm sure whoever likes me, they'll find out eventually what is there to like or not. But I have made something. I just asked some women from my life to make few clips, and I just made a video out of it.
Oh, that's actually very thoughtful.
Creative.
I think Biswas would be a good partner, rather great partner, because
he would be the best partner because
वो जो भी उसके दिमाग में चल रहा होगा, he will always open up to you and he won't be shy अपने emotions project करने में. So that's a good reason, I think.
he accepts you for who you are, and I've known him for like 15 years, and God, we have had our differences, and he's been there for me. Very, very accepting person. Along with that comes his supportive nature in whatever decisions and choices you make in life, and he's a very caring guy indeed. So guys, 3 in 1.
I think he's the best friend anyone can have. He's a great friend. So प्यार दोस्ती है.
Cute.
It would be the best husband क्योंकि वो मुझसे सीखा.
Oh my God! Mic drop. Okay, not bad.
But this is really sweet and different.
मैंने एक छोटा सा CV बनाया है जो मैं अभी जजेस को दूंगा, मेरे दोस्तों को भी दूंगा, ठीक है? फॉर यू. तो शादियों में हिंदू शादियों में जनरली वचन होते हैं, 7 वचन. तो ऐसे ही 7 वचन मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, बट थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट के साथ. पहला वचन, मैं वचन देता हूँ कि हम लाइफ पार्टनर से पहले बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होंगे, क्योंकि 1958 में राहुल ने कहा था प्यार दोस्ती है, हम इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. नंबर 2, मैं वचन देता हूँ कि बेड के जिस साइड चार्जिंग पॉइंट पास होगा वो साइड तुम्हारा, ठीक है? मैं वचन देता हूँ कि हमेशा लेम जोक्स का सिलसिला चलता रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट डिड द वेटर से व्हेन ही गेव द बिल टू द रॉन्ग पर्सन? एनी गेसेस?
ना.
It's gonna be a dad joke, I know.
हमने तुमको बिल ये दे दिया, ये भी न पूछा कौन हो तुम.
यार.
अच्छा तो है bro.
He's the best dad, I think. Best husband.
Yeah, so dad jokes complimentary. वो
He's
भी आएगा.
already a dad with dad jokes.
नंबर 4, मैं वचन देता हूँ कि हैशटैग इंस्टाग्राम के लिए हमेशा तुम्हारी अच्छी कैंडिड पिक्चर्स खींचता रहूंगा.
Wow.
नंबर 5, मैं वचन देता हूँ कि खाना दोनों बनाएंगे लेकिन ऑल्टरनेट डेज पे, और दोनों को आलस आया तो जोमेटो स्विगी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी, ठीक है? नंबर 6, मैं वचन देता हूँ कि चाहे जितना चीज़ी लगे स्पेशल डेज पे सरप्राइज हमेशा प्लान करूंगा. नंबर 7 एंड लास्ट, मैं वचन देता हूँ कि मम्मी और तुम्हारे हाथ के खाने को कभी कंपेयर नहीं करूंगा.
ये
I think Vishwas wants to marry Satyam now.
I want to marry him right now.
So that's my time, guys. Thank you.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go. Ganesh, can you be a good husband? You wanted a kinky husband. You are getting a kinky husband. खुद की तारीफ मैं करता नहीं, प्यार किया तो मैं डरता नहीं, इतनी जल्दी तो मैं सड़ता नहीं, बेवजह मैं फसड़ता नहीं, मुझको चुनोगे तो होगा सही, बाकी जो लिखा है होगा वही, जल्दी बता दो इतनी सी देर में तो जम जाती है दही. अच्छा बता दो, मैं नहीं तो कौन? रोहित विश्वास द पोकेमॉन. मैं नहीं तो कौन? सैटी पी लेगा टी देन ही इज गॉन. मैं नहीं तो कौन? भटा तेरी तो मैं बात ही नहीं करता, आधी चीजों से है साला डरता, वैसे तो है बहुत अच्छा लड़का, इफ आई एम बल्ली ये बल्ली का बकरा. तुमको कॉर्नेटो की आखिरी बाइट भी दूंगा, कंसेंट तुम्हारा हमेशा मैं लूंगा, डिनर पे आधे में पैसे भी दूंगा, जो सुनाओगी वो भी सुनूंगा. अब चॉइस तुम्हारी है. बॉडी के अंदर 206 बोन्स होती है, मेरी बॉडी में 412 हैं. 206 नॉर्मल बोन्स एंड 206 एक्स्ट्रा फनी बोन्स. Trust me, future wifey, I'm going to take care of you. And when I need to be taken care of, I expect you to take care of me. No matter how stupid the social construct of marriage is, we will rock it together.
That's sick. That's sick, bro. Killed it, man. Killed it.
I love this part. अच्छा बताओ, बता दो मैं नहीं तो कौन? रोहित विश्वास द पोकेमॉन.
अबे स्क्वार्टल होगा.
We got a creative
They were
CV,
so
we got a rap,
good. How
we got
did
a
you judge
ukulele
them?
song, and we got a video. Like, mad.
हम सुपर से भी ऊपर कर रहे हैं चारों का.
बहुत दुविधा में पड़ गए.
There's no.
10 all. Inshallah, the boys played really
Very
well.
well.
Let's start with the 4th position. We won't say loser, but we'll just say 4th
And
position.
special emphasis on the word position.
Okay, on the 4th position is Biswas with 69 points.
I don't mind it at all.
That score just makes
Dude,
everything.
69 just never seems to leave you.
Third place was personally was one of my favorites to win. Third place with 74 is Satyam.
क्या सीन है भाई?
Sadi.
First, here you can go for it.
I think ये उल्टा जा रहा है. I think ये उल्टा जा रहा है, guys. Sadi is second, I am first. ऐसा हो सकता है.
So, the first position was a really close call because the difference is just 1 point. मतलब मैं ये बोलने से स्टार्ट करूंगी कि इन दोनों का लास्ट में कंपटीशन होगा, ये तो हमने नहीं
हमने
सोचा
बिल्कुल
था.
भी नहीं सोचा था.
Yeah.
हमने भी नहीं सोचा था.
हमने भी नहीं सोचा था.
Well done, bro.
So the winner and the best like husband material is shocking.
Drum roll, please.
I'll lose my shit if it's Kanish. I will lose my shit if it's Kanish.
Bhattacharya with
क्या बात है?
75 इसके 74 मेरे.
78 he got, you got 77.
77, 78, Bhatta, fucking hell, man, killed it. Very good! Is it Calcutta the best?
Husband material.
Maybe.
Very deserving, man.
या मैं सही बताऊं, भट्टाचार्य जीता है, दिल से मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई है, क्योंकि यूजुअली वो पे जीतता नहीं है। और स्पेशली इस वीडियो में मैं, बिस्वास, सैटी, हम तीनों डिसाइड करके आ रहे थे, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड का किसी को नहीं पता, फोर्थ पक्का भट्टाचार्य है। And this guy fucking killed it, and
Dude, just the way he was dressing today.
या
वो देख के लग गया था कि भाई ये जीतेगा आज।
आज उसने जितना एफर्ट डाले उसने किसी वीडियो में नहीं डाले।
I would tell you guys why he won. According to me, I don't know about others. In that question answer round only, he performed the best because he didn't beat around the bush. He was very sincere and for some reason very funny at the same time.
प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में आप ये बताइए हमें कि आपको क्या लगता है बेस्ट हस्बैंड मटेरियल कौन है।
इस वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलना, कमेंट करके बताना जो कनिष्क ने बोला, और क्या करना है गाइस आप बताओ ना, विनर हो आप।
You have to mainly subscribe to OK Tested, man. That's what you gotta do to win shit like this.
And don't forget to download the app. It's available on App Store and Play Store. And ये वीडियो एक दिन पहले आ गया है वहाँ पे।
तो भट्टाचार्य की शादी एक दिन पहले हो गया, समझ रहे हो?
एक दिन पहले जीत गया।
But guys, don't just conform to marriage.
He's waiting.
It's a social construct. इसी ने बोला है।
इसका किसी शादी की रिक्वेस्ट आएगी भाई?
यार अपने मैनेजर का नंबर तो दे दे।